Hi guys, it's Emily here from Yellow Tuxedo. I hope you're well. This week we're talking all about Google My Business and how to make the most out of your Google My Business listings. Of course, if you like what you see, do be sure to give us a little thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to our channel for more hints, tips and how-tos about digital visibility and online presence, do be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's get on. Okay, so Google My Business, powerful tool if you want to be improving your SEO for local search. Local search is really powerful, especially if you're a bricks and mortar business or you're a service-based business that is more location specific. Google My Business is really going to help you. So if you haven't yet signed up for Google My Business, I do recommend you do so. It's really simple. You go and make an account, you'll get a little postcode through the post and you have a verification code on that. I'm not going to be showing you today how to actually get yourself listed on Google My Business. That's something we can do in a further video. We can walk you through the steps of exactly how to get yourself verified. However, today I'm going to give you my top tips on how to improve your listing to make sure that it's really being used to its full advantage with all the tips, hints and tricks we have out there. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do once you have your listing up and running is to make sure that your NAP data, your name, address and phone number is consistent. And when I say consistent, I mean it's exactly the same, written in exactly the same format across your Google My Business, your website, any directories, paid or unpaid, that you're paying to be on. Make sure that those details are exactly the same, because when Google looks for it on its search, it looks across all of the internet to find that information. And if you're not consistent and your details, your addresses are different, your phone number is different, it's going to get confused. So make sure you go in, have a look and make sure that your data is exactly the same. If you're not a bricks and mortar business and you don't want to have your fixed premises address, maybe it's your home address present, it doesn't matter. You can still add your data onto Google My Business and you can opt in to have it hidden. So you don't have to worry so much about people knocking on your door. That's absolutely fine, but do make sure you fill out that data. Okay, the next thing on the list is your business description. You have an opportunity here to really shine and really show people what you're doing. Be really explicit with exactly what you do. Explain your services, explain exactly where you cover geographically. So if you cover more than one location, do write that down. If you cover the whole of UK or whatever country you're watching this from, make sure you put exactly where you are, what you do and why you're amazing and what sets you apart from every other business out there on the internet. Next, Google reviews. People can be a little bit scared of Google reviews because they are unmoderated and you can sometimes get people abusing that system. However, Google reviews are really important to show Google that people are interacting with your service. Good or bad, you have opportunity there to interact with your clients. So if you get a negative review, that's okay. Make sure that you spend the time interacting with that review, write a succinct and to the point reply to that. If it stays on, at least you can show that you're interacting with your clients. And obviously the more you're interacting, the more people you're showing Google that you're working hard on your business and the more it's going to reward you later down the line. Okay, the next thing on the list is the category that you're showing up for your business. You can set that when you set up your profile. The thing is, you can set up more than one category. You have a primary category, but then you have all the categories below for what your business does. So if you have more than one service that you provide, it's really, really, really clever to make sure that you list out all of those categories. Now, obviously, they don't always give you word perfect exact categories for what you do. If you're very particularly niche, maybe. However, it's really vital that you find the nearest possible match for your business. For example, Bailey Bell Tents are other business. It's a bell tent hire company. However, we offer bell tent villages for weddings. We offer, so that's wedding services. We offer corporate events. We offer children's birthday parties. And because of that, we now list out our categories for all the different types of services we provide. That's because if someone is searching for a particular service, you won't be limiting yourself. You'll still be showing up in those search terms. Okay, next, making sure you use Google to its full potential is really key. Be active, use it all the time, use it as much as you use Facebook or Instagram, really start interacting with it as a business tool. Therefore, if you have updated your images recently, if you have new product images, if you have new product services that you want to be exploring a bit more, if you have video, you have 30 seconds of video content you can upload at one time to really help that algorithm show and elevate you. If you are writing articles or you have events coming up, be sure to, as much as you are promoting them on your social media platforms, do make sure you put them on your Google My Business so people can see them in that format as well. And my last top tip today is to really make use of the question and answers function on your profile. It doesn't get used half as much as it should do, and it's a really powerful tool to help you, especially if you've done your keyword research, which we've already done a video about on here. So if you haven't found it yet, do be sure to link above and watch it later on. But once you've done your keyword research, you already understand the questions your clients are already asking you. That's how we shape our blog content and everything else we put out there into the world on the internet. Use those questions to form a question and answers session on your profile. You can use those questions so you can get friends, you can get previous clients, anyone can put out a question there that is very specific, that you can give a short tail answer back to with that detail that's going to help answer search queries, especially for mobile optimization, things like that. It's really, really helpful. For example, we'll use Bailey bell tents again. Will a 5-meter bell tent fit in my garden? And the response to that would be, absolutely, we would need a 5-meter spot, a 7-meter spot, a 7-meter spot to account for ropes and guy lines. With that, we have a question there which is very specific, and we have answered that very succinctly. That's going to help us with mobile search, voice search later on, especially if you're using Bing for voice search. Use the question and answer session to show Google that you're active, that you have a purpose there, you are helping your clients, and you are serving them really, really well. And that's it. That's my top tips for this week. Like I said, I will do another video on how to set up your Google My Business page and get that verified in case you're looking to start that and you haven't yet got your little verification code come through. I'll walk you through that step by step. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, do be sure to leave comments below, and I will see you next week. Bye.